In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Webpages into Google Sheets. We'll use a simple built-in function so you can pull tables or lists from a page right into your spreadsheet, keeping everything organized and easy to update. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser and go to the spreadsheet where you want the data to appear. You can use an existing file or start with a new blank sheet. Choose a clear destination cell like A1 so you know exactly where the imported data will begin. Now head to the web page that contains the data you want to bring in. This works best with pages that include clearly defined HTML tables or lists. A common example is a Wikipedia page with a summary table, but any publicly accessible page with standard tables can work. Avoid pages that require you to sign in, and be aware that sites that load content dynamically may not import correctly. Copy the page's URL from the address bar. You'll use that link in the formula, so make sure you have the full correct address. Go back to your Google Sheet, click into the cell where the data should appear, and type the formula exactly like this. Import HTML https n as wikipedia.org/wiki/Aristotle table. Spoken out, that's equals import TML open parenthesis, quote, the URL, quote, comma, quote, table, quote, comma, 1, close parenthesis. This formula has three parts: the URL of the page, the type of content to import, either table or list, and the index number for which table or list to pull if there are multiple on the page. Replace the sample URL with the link you just copied. Keep the quotation marks around both the URL and the word table. If you need a list instead of a table, change table to list. If the wrong table shows up, change the final number to 2, 3, or higher until you get the right one. Press enter. Google Sheets will fetch the data and, after a moment, the cells below your formula will populate. If you see a brief loading message or an error, give it a few seconds. Persistent errors usually mean the page isn't public, the URL is mistyped, or the index doesn't match an actual table on the page. A few quick tips. The imported range is read-only, so make edits in separate columns or on another sheet. Keep the formula cell intact to avoid breaking the connection. Data updates periodically to refresh, re-enter the formula, or make a small edit and undo. And that's all it takes. You opened your sheet, found a web page with a usable table, copied the URL, returned to your sheet, entered the import TML formula, and confirmed the import. You now have live web data in Google Sheets ready to analyze and share.